Hello, my name is Anson Lundstrom, and I will be providing design justification for the infographic I created on the managing of plastic wastes in the United States. I chose to use a pie chart for my central graphic because it best conveys where pieces of a total are going. To really bring the reader's attention to this donut chart, I placed it in the center and made it the largest overall graphic. This utilizes design proximity by placing information and statistics close to where they are introduced, so that the reader does not have to have his eyes dart back and forth to capture all necessary information. For instance, secondary information regarding recycling and incineration are found near their primary reference in the chart and are color-coded to ensure that the reader is not confused. By grouping related design elements together, I was able to use closure to separate the graphic into two sections of key information, here and here, as well as a call to action at the bottom. The top section of the graphic discusses the more positive uses of plastic waste, whereas the middle portrays the reality of where it actually goes. Bar charts were used here to numerically compare relative outcomes. This overall visual hierarchy allows me to convey the more vital information at the center, with additional information emanating outwards and downwards. Finally, the lower portion is a call to action. And it also includes a helpful fact to make the issue more tangible to readers. This is also a form of visual closure, and lines were added to the graphic to help ever so slightly separate the three sections in the reader's eyes. My use of similarity and anomaly is very successful at helping tie information together as the eyes flow down the chart. Recycling is a green process, whereas landfilling is not, and this is utilized throughout the design and reiterated in the closing sentence. This is also an example of color harmony, where the color red is used to represent combustion emissions, as it is a subconsciously undesirable color. A complementary color scheme was used to establish contrast between these three categories, mostly consisting of light blue and green, as well as the included red. This was kept at a minimum, however, to maintain the overall simplicity of the document. So that is my justification for my design. Thank you very much for your time.